Welcome back. Now in this chapter we will discuss the solution of exercises for our Hello World chapter. The first exercise is about write a program to print this output, say A and then AB and then ABC, right? So this is very simple. We first say print A and then we say print AB and then we say print ABC, right? So we just need these three print statements in our program. Now let us first save it. Just press Ctrl S and then we can run it using this play button. If we run it, we can see the following output, which is required one, A and then AB and then ABC. So this is the simple solution for our first exercise. Now let's discuss the next exercise. The second exercise says we need to write a program to print this output A, AB, then ABC and followed by BC. Now in this case, this B letter should be aligned with the B letter on the previous line. And finally we need to print this C. The only condition is that this letter C should be aligned to the letter C on the previous line. So we first simply say print A, print AB, print ABC as in the previous exercise. And then we say print BC. Now in this case, because we want to align these two letters B, so we have to put one space character here. Remember that space is also a valid character in Python or in any programming language. So we first print space and then B and then C. Similarly, on the last line, we say print and then in double quotes one space, then second space and then the letter C. So that is how we will get our desired output, which is A, AB, ABC followed by BC, B aligned and followed by C where the C is aligned to the previous line. Now let us run this program. Just press this play button and we can see here our desired output is coming A, AB, ABC and then BC, B is aligned and then only C where the C is aligned, right? So with this, thank you for your time in this chapter. See you in the next one. Thank you.